In today's video, we will be tearing apart the Yetis 6.0 motor. As you can see, it's got a hole in it. It's not supposed to have that. There's shrapnel through everything, and then one of the plugs does not look like the other. This one right here, it's not supposed to look like that.
I mean, you ain't even got a gap on that one.
I know.
So
I think this was a defective one. I need to take it back to O'Reilly's.
I'll just see if there's a warranty on that one.
But yeah, it's a little bit late in the morning, so it'll probably be tomorrow morning when we're actually tearing it all apart. But we're gonna get this all apart, see what's salvageable. Dad's just thinking it's bolts and a couple of sensors and stuff and valve springs, but
I'm hoping the cam, lifters, springs, and bolts and oil pan and balancer.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, just there's not much left.
I mean, I know
the heads in the block and rods and crank.
I know for sure that head's probably gonna need some work.
Right. Hey, we'll have 1799.
We'll have a 1799 head, so
yeah, that's true.
I think it's just like stock valves and stuff. It's literally nothing special, so
No.
I can probably find 1799 head, but
I got a pair of 317s just laying here ready to go.
see, there you go. But all right, we're gonna get into tearing this thing down. It's not like we don't have enough projects going on. We got this thing, Dad's Oldsmobile, Johnny's small block,
our big block we're freshening,
Billy's big block that we haven't even looked at.
Got two other 6.0s here for
two. You got two iron 6.0s.
I got two iron 6.0s.
I got one aluminum 6.0.
Oh yeah.
So
that'll be a whole nother segment.
Yeah, that'll be a completely different story, but
yeah.
all right, we're gonna get into tearing this thing apart. That way we can free up one of the engine stands because we
Yeah.
we need it around here.
Yeah. That's the
golly.
I mean, hey, here's some of your
Part of the ring, yeah. Well, this is the passenger side.
Oh look, there's chunks up in there.
Wow. How did it get so crazy?
I mean, just think if you would have kept it running for any time.
Yeah, 'cause I could have kept it running. I just instantly...
Yeah, it didn't die. You shut it
I
off.
shut it off, yeah.
I mean, it probably was gonna die, but I don't know. Like I say, the valve springs is probably the only thing salvageable off the heads.
Yeah.
Maybe this one sensor over here. I got a feeling water's gonna come out of it.
Locked up.
Yeah, maybe. It's probably welded to the block. Oh, there it goes.
Shoo! Wow! Oh my gosh, look on the side. There's a piston. I mean, look at...
Oh yeah, it broke the whole cylinder
And look
out.
on this side. It's all the way.
Yeah.
That's crazy. What? I mean, what happened?
I'm with you. I think this piston
Just came apart. Man.
Yeah, Did you look at your head?
I don't even want to look
You
at
don't
it.
want to look at it.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Honestly,
I mean, that part on this side's about the only thing on it, you know?
it's probably actually salvageable, believe it or not.
Yeah. God dang. That's just crazy. You know it?
Yep. It is.
Every part of this motor has metal in it.
Yeah.
How's that even possible?
I just hope the camshaft is good.
I just don't even know how that's like physically possible.
Yeah.
Like how I did that.
It passed it through everywhere, apparently.
Because it sounded like a grenade went off in the car, you know.
Yeah.
But I thought I was all right.
Yeah, I thought
That's
when
crazy.
you shut it off, it hopefully salvaged some of that, but I don't know. I mean, that whole cylinder's gone.
That's wild. I don't even understand how that happened.
Yeah. I bet when I flip that over, some chunks fall out.
Something falls out. Deal. I'm just dropping everything today.
Hang on. Get this out of the way. Yeah, it's not easy getting that out. I mean, Dad makes it look easy, but it ain't easy. Man.
You said you make it look easy.
Oh yeah, I mean, I gotta get my tool though.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, chunks of stuff falling out.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. We're gonna have to save all these parts.
Look at your, look at your valve.
Hey. That's a valve to the head.
It was chewing the, maybe.
Oh. You start running out of. God. Still. Look at the bottom of that piston. Ooh, all right. There's a lot happening right now.
Yeah. Camshaft looks perfect to me, so.
Yeah.
But it's gonna have to come out the back. Since somebody put that plate on too tight.
Alright, well, you can see cylinder wall completely gone. I think this was the cause of our problem. This piston just came apart, I guess.
Yeah, definitely.
Rod bent up. That's really the only bad rod that I saw in the whole thing.
I mean, honestly,
the piston, I mean, there's a couple of pistons that had other piston in it, got hit by like this rod or something, and then had a valve in it and stuff. But other than that, the crank's fine, the cam's fine. That's more than you thought was going to be all right.
Cam, timing chain, oil pump, 7 rods.
The oil pump's got some stuff ran through it for sure.
Well, the pickup tube does, but I don't know if it. I think that screen caught all of it.
Most of it.
I mean, we'll take it apart and check it before we even think about using that.
Pan's fine. It's just dirty.
Yeah, I mean, we got a lot of cleaning to do.
Front and rear timing covers, they're fine. The heads, that one's got a lot of stuff going on in that one cylinder. That one's got stuff going all around it, the other one.
I think it'd be
But
easier.
I think I could get them fixed, you know.
We
or
could
we
fix them or just swap everything.
Or I bet McDaniel has another set of 799s or whatever.
Yeah.
Balancer's good. There's a lot more good than I thought. It was really just the block just came apart.
All the bolts are good.
All the bolts are good. The block came apart, and that piston and rod are bad.
I mean, and that we're saying the piston broke, but maybe that cylinder wall just broke.
It could have, yeah. I mean, for it to break.
Although there was a slight,
all the
you
way
had a
around
little
it.
vibration going on. Heck, that piston might have broke one half of it off, and we may have made 10 passes with a half broke piston or something.
Yeah, it had a vibration ever since it lifted the head and lifted the heads.
Of course,
in Tulsa.
that cylinder is fine.
That cylinder was great, yeah. So I don't know. A lot more good than I expected to be good. So that's a plus, I guess.
We got 2 more Gen 360s just sitting here.
Yeah, it's 2 Gen 3s.
We may piece something back together or sell it or whatever.
Yeah, we'll see. But I think that's going to be it for today's video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and tune in for more tips on how to break LS stuff.
Yeah.